Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a summary report in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to start creating a simple report and we will need just to customize so it can become a summary one. So from here, you can go to your reports in the navbar, but if you don't find it, you can simply go to the app launcher, search for reports. So from here, you will need just to click on the reports and it will take you, of course, to the reports. If you want to add reports to your navbar, you can simply go here and click on this edit icon and add more items and you can search for the reports and add them. So simply now we need just to click on new report and basically we can choose an opportunity report. I'm just going to start this one and now all we need to do is just to clear all these columns. So I'm just going to clear them and you can leave any ones that you would like. And what matters is to group the rows. So basically the group rows are what's making it a summary report. So you can, for example, by group by closed opportunities or by type, and basically each uh, for each report, it will have some group rows depends on the fields of the objects. So basically, it's simple. Say that we want to group them by stage, and you can also add some other group, for example, created by. I'm just going to refresh, and now we are having this group rows as you can see. So basically, this is the total, and they are grouped by created by, for example, and also by stage. And from here, you can find the details of these groups or for these columns and you can see all the other uh, details. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.